Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss a common issue that Windows 10 users may encounter, being unable to download files. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We will walk you through the steps to fix this issue and get your downloads up and running smoothly. Let's start with the first solution, changing the current location in the website data settings. To do this, press the Start button and enter Internet Options in the search box. Click on Internet Options to view the Internet Properties window. Next, click on Settings on the General tab. If the current location is not set to your local C drive, click on the Move Folder button. Select a folder on your PC's C drive and click. OK, then click Yes on the logoff prompt. If the first solution didn't work, don't worry. We have another solution for you. You can try running an antivirus scan. Open Start on Windows 10 and search for Windows Security. Click the top result to open the app. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under the Current Threats section, click on Scan Options. Select the full scan option to check the entire system for viruses and any other type of malware. Click the Scan Now button. Once you complete these steps, Microsoft Defender Antivirus will scan your device for viruses and many other types of malware. If anything is detected, the antivirus automatically removes or quarantines the threats. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue of being unable to download files on your Windows 10 device. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.